Welcome to Charts Today. My name's David Linton, and today's edition for Thursday, the 2nd of July, comes to you from London. And we start by looking at currencies. The dollar just sinking lower, so we're back into short-term bearish territory there, which means the euro is higher, and sterling has gained a little bit as well. So we are just seeing that weaker dollar having an impact on currencies. Sterling against the euro is sitting at nearly 111, so it's looking stronger against the euro there as well. Bitcoin sitting at $9,100, not much change there, and the US stock market last night was up a further 0.5%, so we are just seeing a recovery there. All eyes on payroll numbers coming this week, and also, of course, it is a shorter week in the US with Independence Day holiday tomorrow, so it'll be interesting to see how we close the week out in the US today. The Nasdaq was up sharply yesterday and looking more and more bullish. That weekly candle very strong this week, and the Dow is actually down slightly overnight. But it does look like we will have an up week, even though it is a shorter week for US markets. The futures do suggest that we will go higher today, up 0.6% on the S&P and up 0.4% on the Nasdaq E-mini. So looking like a rosy end to the week, despite the fact that we're seeing increase in virus numbers in the US with a second spike. We are seeing the UK market, the FTSE future, is up 0.9% this morning, and the DAX, the cash market in Germany, is up 1.8%, so we are seeing a move higher there. The CAC Current up 1.5%, so that's looking stronger as well. Japan was up 0.3%, and ironically, with everything that's happening in Hong Kong, we were up nearly 3% on the market there, and the Chinese market up 2%. So we are seeing Asian markets looking very strong indeed. The Indian market up 1%, and the Aussie market up 1.7%. So we are just seeing big moves there. Gold continues to hold bullish at 1772. We did get as high as into the 1788 level, but 1820 is looking likely now with that upside target there on the short-term chart. Looking at silver, we're down slightly this morning, but we are holding bullish trends there on all three time frames. And US 10-year yields are also sitting steady at just under 0.7%. Be interesting to see how payroll numbers affect that. German bond prices have been weak on that short-term chart this last couple of days, so we are just seeing a pullback there. Taking a quick look at the energy mix, we've got Brent crude this morning up 1%, so it's consolidating its rises there. Lots of upside targets, so we are looking bullish there. WTI also looking pretty good to close the week, and US nat gas sitting at 168, holding on to the jump that we saw at the start of the week with contract roller. Big story today for energy is that coal has crossed the cloud, so we are looking more bullish there. I posted that on LinkedIn this morning. And if we look at emissions, they are still holding that bullish trend, looking pretty strong. MBP is down 3% this morning, but also looking stronger. TTF just can't get above that €6 mark, so Dutch gas just holding out. We did sort of break at the contract roll this week. We just need to really hold that €6 level now. And German power is up this morning by 1%, pushing ever higher above that €40 mark. 42 is now looking very likely. That's it for today. Until tomorrow, happy charting. See you then.